Hi guys, today I want to show you how to use our tool to map the 2D to 3D in cylinder shape. So here's the 2D data here. So basically then ABCD is then the text here, and then there's one line here. Then you can map it directly to the 3D shape here. And this is actually all the symbol of line text on the XY plane. So, and we make assumption that the text has to be, on the positive side of the X, and then you define the radius here, and then we're going to map it to the cylinder. So the command is called then the refold cylinder, and it will ask you the radius of the cylinder, and once you give that, and then you need to select then the 2D object here. So the 2D object here, what we have is actually this one here, and if you have a pattern, so other shape, then you can select them here. So it's very simple, just select this one here, and then you'll see here they will create a cylinder here, and then all this data going to be on the cylinder surface. So as in the 3D here. So if you look at this one here, you can see this is actually the text on the cylinder surface here. This is all the polygon lines, all the curve here mapped to here. So this is actually the 3D one here. And if you're going to see here the 2D one here, going to be like this one here. And so, and this is actually a simple tool here that you can use to create the model based on the 3D patterns or then any curves here. And if you want to have another function here to map it here, then you can just let us know, and then we can just add to our product. In order to use this one, you have to buy our Smart Unfold, because this is part of the function for unfold function, and refold is part of the function that we're going to expand. If you have any question, please send me email, and thank you. Bye.